Hey y'all, welcome back. Or if you're new, welcome. My name is Shannon, and I hope everybody's doing fantastic on this hump day. We are going to rearrange this living room. I am taking my house back from all the chaos of the holidays. So, y'all are going to see me struggle. I struggled a lot moving this furniture around, but I think I've got a new couch in my future. Me and Mike has been talking about that, and also getting a new bed frame and just basically a new bed altogether. But hopefully that's going to be popping off soon. And I got some other things coming soon that I am very, very excited. It took me all day because I have gotten so interested in the camping type videos, and y'all see me, I cut a lot of it out, but, like, it would grab my attention, so but me and Mike's been talking about maybe trying out the little bit of camping stuff or glamping, if you will. Let me know in the comments, do y'all watch that stuff or do y'all go camping? I know we have been talking about it for years, but I think I've only been camping one time, and that was back when I was in my early teens. I went with some of my friends and their parents to Hanging Rock, and at that time, it wasn't my jam, but I would like to now that camping has come a long way since then. But anyway, I have ordered me a tent, and Mike said I have to he said I have to set it up in the backyard and do, like, a little trial in the backyard before we will go anywhere. So, I'm currently waiting on that to get here because, like I said, that type of stuff has come a long, long way since when I was in my teens, so I'll be excited to share that with y'all. But we're just gonna hop on into this, and if this is something you're interested in, I hope you stick around, and I hope you find some type of motivation out of this, or like I said, just hang out with me, and I sure do appreciate it. And I'm gonna pop off of here, but I'll be popping back on. I am here to tell you that coffee table is one heavy thing. I would be glad to get rid of it and have little TV trays or whatever. Mike likes it because it lifts up so that when we're sitting in the living room, we don't eat in the kitchen. We have our dinner in the living room, and he likes it because it lifts up and all that good stuff. But I think that we can do something a little different from here on out because it's just too heavy for me to be moving. And here's how it all turned out. I am so happy with it. It was a lot of work and a lot of struggle, but it was worth it. And if you made it this far, I sure am glad you hung out with me today. And I will catch y'all soon. I hope y'all have a blessed and beautiful day.